Hello guys, welcome back again. In this episode we will be looking at the Mongoose database which is in the cloud, hosted in the cloud, and I am using MongoDB Compass which has been already installed in my local machine. I am using Windows, so you have to use your compatible versions for the Compass. And then once you install, you will be able to connect to the MongoDB cloud. They give us a free cluster. So this is for demo purpose, and hence I'm using free cluster. And here you can see I have declared this as Node.js API employees. You can declare any name for your document, and accordingly you have to put it into your configuration settings, which I have shown in the previous episode. If you missed that, please look at my first episode. You would be able to understand the Node.js API has been declared in my config file. So remember that if you simply use it and your document is showing a different name and you are unable to connect, then that means you did not declare the correct document name in your config file. Or for simplicity purpose, you can follow Node.js API as your document file as a beginner if you are a beginner, so that it's more easy for you guys. Now, here we have 3 employees. You can see Ajit, Sardar, and Tea Coffee. Simply, I just put Tea Coffee for update. We will put a new name for this Tea Coffee guy in our Insomnia. So let's go to Insomnia. Insomnia is a competitor for Postman. And here you can see I have declared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 calls, HTTP calls. You can see here get me is localhost 5000. Let's check it's running at 5000. Yes, it's running. So we send the command localhost 5000 API employees. We get all these employees here. Can you see on the right side? Okay, get a single guy. So how do you get a single guy? So you had to copy this. Let's get the tea coffee because that's more funny and easy to remember, right? So Control C, and then we have to give the ID from here, Control V, and then this is a single retrieve call with the ID. Remember I told you that the ID will be sent through the browser, and that's why we were using request.params. You can see the tea coffee has already been displayed. And then finally update me. So let's go into update me, and I will use the Control V command for tea coffee. So here I will put, let's put a decent name, William, with the salary, let's say William salary. Remember I am doing a partial update here. I am not giving the email ID. So the email ID will still remain s@gmail.com. So salary, let's put for easy understanding 8001. Okay, and send it. You can see salary has been updated with William. And let's look at the compass here. Let's refresh. You can see William with S8001 has been updated here, right? So let's, for example, I didn't give the salary. Sorry, I didn't give the name, and I made it as a, let's say, 6002. Send it. Is updated to 6002. That's the partial update I have been telling in the first episode. So update doesn't need you to give everything. All the name, email, and salary is not compulsory because we are using put command, and that's the beauty of it. Okay, so let's say, for example, for more understanding, I'm using, this is JSON script format. We are adding to the body as JSON script. Let's say email my@gmail.com. Let's say like that, and then I send it. You can see here is updated. Let's look at the compass again. Refresh. Is updated to my.gmail@gmail.com, right? So that is how we do it. Then we will go for add. Let's go to delete as the last portion. So let's see the test ABC is there or not. There's no test ABC, right? So we are going to create a new employee. Okay, so the compass, refresh. Now there are 4 entities you can see. The test has come in. So what are we going to do in the delete? We just delete the test. So how do we delete the test? We need the ID of this guy, which ends at 91. So Control C, and then we go to the delete and we copy paste that. Send. So employee deleted. So let's look at here at the compass. Refresh. Employee has been deleted, right? So that is the delete command. So this was a very quick episode. So making the API to work is a very big job. Once you have the structure, everything, it's very easy job. And testing is quite easy with the Insomnia. So if you like Insomnia, you can download it to your machine and do accordingly as I did. So it's very quite friendly one, and you will be able to see the response. So our API is working and we are ready to use it in the ReactJS or Node.js or AngularJS according to our wish and knowledge. Of course, we need to have some basic knowledge and understanding of JavaScript. That is the most basic thing, guys. Study JavaScript so that Node.js and ReactJS or Next.js or AngularJS is very easy for you to work with. So with that episode, I thank you guys for watching. So REST API is already in place. The basic CRUD commands are in place and the response is quite nice. So we can use this REST API endpoints. So what is endpoints is nothing but API employee, and then we have the ID for delete, and then these are all the the endpoints, which we call is just a big term people use, but it is nothing when you understand the things, right? So it's very quite easy. Please subscribe to my channel if you did not subscribe, and put your comments so that I can understand how you feel about this episode. Okay, so have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.